Hello, I'm Local Japanese. Today I'll share 10 must-buy Muji items. From clever travel gadgets and high-quality stationery to delicious snacks and everyday essentials, these products combine Japanese functionality, quality, and value in a way that's hard to find anywhere else. In this video, I've carefully picked up 10 items. Let's dive in. Number 1. Matcha chocolate coated strawberries. Matcha chocolate coated strawberries are a popular Japanese snack made by coating whole freeze-dried strawberries with rich matcha flavored chocolate. The natural tartness of strawberry pairs beautifully with the creamy bitterness of Japanese matcha chocolate. The crispy freeze-dried strawberry contrasts with the smooth chocolate coating. The vibrant green matcha coating and bright strawberry center make it visually appealing. The cost is 420 yen, $3. It's lightweight, easy to pack, and difficult to find outside Japan, so highly recommend it. Number 2. Stationery. Muji's stationery is known for its minimalist design, practical functionality, and exceptional quality. From notebooks and pens to organizers and desk accessories, Muji creates products that focus on simplicity and ease of use. And my recommendation is gel ink ballpoint pen. This pen is one of the brand's most iconic and best-selling stationery products. Available in a wide range of colors and tip sizes, it is designed for comfortable everyday writing. This item features Muji's signature simple, transparent barrel with a clean and functional appearance. The cost is around 100 yen, $1. They are inexpensive, lightweight, and easy to pack, making them ideal souvenirs or gifts, so please check them. Number 3. Oxford shirts. The Oxford shirt from Muji is a simple, high-quality wardrobe essential known for its clean design and everyday versatility. One of its key features is the Oxford fabric, a durable yet breathable cotton material with a slightly textured weave. This makes the shirt comfortable to wear throughout the year. Light enough for warmer seasons, yet substantial enough for layering in cooler weather. It avoids unnecessary decoration, focusing instead on a clean silhouette and neutral colors. The cost is 3,000 yen, $20. It's reasonable, simple, and functional, so highly recommend it. Number 4. Sensitive Skin Toning Water. Sensitive Skin Toning Water is one of the brand's best-selling skincare products. Designed for delicate and easily irritated skin, it features a simple, minimalist formula with carefully selected ingredients. Made with natural water sourced from caves in Japan, this toning water helps hydrate and soothe the skin while maintaining a lightweight, refreshing feel. This item absorbs quickly and works well as part of both simple and multi-step skincare routines. The cost starts around 400 yen, $3. This toning water offers high-quality skincare at an affordable price compared to many premium brands, so highly recommend it. Number 5. Miso soup. Muji's instant miso soup offers a quick and convenient way to enjoy one of Japan's most traditional comfort foods. Made with flavorful miso and carefully selected ingredients such as tofu, seaweed, green onions, or vegetables, it delivers an authentic Japanese taste in just minutes. Simply add hot water and you have a warm, satisfying bowl of miso soup. It's available with different ingredients, allowing customers to experience multiple styles of miso soup. The cost is 450 yen, $3. For you looking for an authentic, practical, and uniquely Japanese food item, Muji Instant Miso Soup is a must-buy item. Number 6. Chopsticks. Muji's chopsticks are designed with the brand's signature focus on simplicity, comfort, and functionality. Made from quality materials such as natural wood or bamboo, they are crafted to provide a comfortable grip and a pleasant dining experience. It's often made from wood or bamboo, offering a warm and natural feel. It allows users to enjoy meals in a traditional Japanese way. The cost is around 400 yen, $3. Compared to decorative souvenir chopsticks, Muji's versions are designed for everyday use, making them both beautiful and functional, so highly recommended. Number 7. Travel items. Muji's travel items are designed to make traveling more organized, comfortable, and stress-free. The collection includes packing cubes, travel pouches, neck pillows, toiletry containers, passport holders, and other practical accessories. And my recommendation is portable folding hanger. It folds into a pocket-sized shape, making it easy to carry while traveling. And it is constructed from aluminum for strength without adding unnecessary weight. The cost is 600 yen, $4. This item takes up very little room in luggage compared to standard hangers, so highly recommended. Number 8. Kitchen tools. Muji's kitchen tools are designed with the brand's signature philosophy of simplicity, functionality, and durability. From silicone cooking utensils and stainless steel tools to measuring cups and food preparation accessories, Muji focuses on creating practical products that make everyday cooking easier and more enjoyable. And my recommendation is silicone cooking spoon. This item is one of the brand's most popular kitchen tools. Designed to stir, scoop, mix, and serve, this versatile utensil combines the flexibility of silicone with a thoughtfully shaped spoon head that makes cooking easier. The soft silicone surface helps prevent scratches on non-stick pots and pans. The cost is around 500 yen, $3, so highly recommended. Number 9. Rice burger. Rice burger is a modern Japanese comfort food that replaces bread with grilled Japanese rice buns, offering a uniquely Japanese eating experience. The rice buns are made from short-grain Japanese rice and lightly seasoned, then grilled to create a crispy outside and soft, chewy inside. My recommendation is curry flavor. The filling features a savory Japanese-style curry, rich in spices but mild and well-balanced, so it's enjoyable even for people who don't like very spicy food. The curry flavor pairs perfectly with the rice, creating a comforting and familiar taste for many visitors. The cost is 550 yen, $3.7. You can enjoy unique and authentic Japanese taste, so highly recommended. Number 10. Toothbrush stand. Muji's toothbrush stand is a simple yet highly functional bathroom accessory designed to keep your toothbrush upright, clean, and organized. Made from durable materials such as porcelain, it features a compact, minimalist design that fits neatly on any bathroom countertop. This item takes up very little space, making it ideal for small bathrooms. The smooth surface can be quickly rinsed and wiped clean. The cost is 350 yen, $2. Its simple design and everyday usefulness have made it a favorite among Japanese locals, so highly recommended. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. I hope you have an amazing trip to Japan. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.